Have you ever wondered where at least one or more of the most expensive homes is located in Georgia? There are several around the greater Atlanta area, but there is one that they say is more unique than all the others, which is just south of Atlanta. It is called Great Hill Place. They say it's engulfed by opulence. It was originally listed, listen to this, for $45 million. At that time, this mansion was Georgia's most expensive home. It's also known as Colaparchie and Cotton Place in Monroe County, Georgia, west of Bolingbroke, Georgia. It was listed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1973. The listing included 10 contributing buildings and 2 contributing structures on 350 acres. It's a plantation complex. It in 1873 included a 2-story main house, which was known as Cotton Place. It was enlarged and Victorianized in 1874 and 75 by railroad businessman William Morrill Wadley to retire there. The original house was plantation plain in style. Wadley bought it in 1873. He named it Great Hill after his birthplace near Brentwood, New Hampshire. The plantation, then 1,360 acres, only 350 today. 1,360 acres back in 1873 cost $6,410. Wouldn't you like to have bought that place for $6,410? Wadley was buried beside the house in the Wadley family cemetery after his death in 1882. His wife, Rebecca, joined him in 1905. One of the few almost perfectly intact plantation complexes in the state of Georgia. This historic home burned in the 1980s. A new home at Great Hill Place was completed in 2002 by Otis Ingram, a Columbus native who was raised in Atlanta and developed a love of land while working in his father's timber business. The home measures 13,500 square feet. I'm guessing that would be big enough for you, and features 7 bedrooms and 8 full bathrooms. Most importantly, it sits on 329-acre parcel about 70 miles south of Atlanta. Intricate woodwork is everywhere. It took 15 of the highest-level carpenters 3 years to do the paneling in the rooms that have the paneling consistently working around the clock. There are several outbuildings, including a barn, a stable, a silo-shaped guest house, and there's a 10-acre man-made lake that has an 8-foot waterfall over really beautiful rocks. The list price increased threefold from 2021 to 2022. It's currently off the market now, but the last time it was listed for $45 million. If you like hearing about the most expensive homes in Metro Atlanta, stay tuned for future episodes because it could be something that we repeat over and over and over.